Thank you for your interest in the Bristlecone Concealed Carry for Beginners class. We are excited to welcome you to our facility. Here is what you can expect when you arrive if you decide to register for this class. The first part of the course is in the classroom, where you will learn about fundamentals of marksmanship, choosing a handgun, concealed carry laws, alternative force options, situational consideration, and methods of dealing with incident aftermath. The second part of the course is on the range, where you will reinforce the skills you learned in the classroom. You will need a handgun, ammunition, eye and hearing protection, and range-appropriate clothing, which includes closed-toed shoes and a crew neck shirt. Please check your email for further details. We offer a discount for students who need to rent a handgun. Please let the instructor know at the beginning of class that you need a rental, and they will be happy to assist. This class is geared towards newer shooters who are working on the fundamentals of marksmanship in the context of self-protection and will provide an overview of basic skills. We ask that you arrive 15 minutes prior to class to fill out a waiver. You are also welcome to do this online at www.bristleconeshooting.com. While there is no meal break provided during the class, you are welcome to bring drinks and snacks with you. There are also vending machines on site. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at training@bristleconeshooting.com. We are looking forward to seeing you in class.